Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It is hot and humid summer weather, so I actually prepared cucumber pineapple juice. It is 10-minute recipe, easy to follow, and tastes really refreshing. So hope you guys enjoy this recipe with your family and friends. So I'm going to start my today's recipe, cucumber pineapple juice. First, you need sparkling water. I got Singha soda sparkling water at local supermarket. This sparkling soda water tastes really light and fresh. And I got this local supermarket. Sometimes I actually get this from online shopping. And sometimes I choose sparkling water called Trevi. It is lime taste. Actually, you can find any other sparkling water at your favorite local supermarket or online website. Next, you need pineapple juice. You need cucumber. I got this cucumber at local farmers market. And this is vegetable slicer. So we are going to prepare cucumber. With vegetable slicer, I will start to slice the vegetable as thin as possible so it can actually go inside of cucumber pineapple juice. If you like flavor, I would have more slices of cucumber. And texture of cucumber is really nice inside of your drink. And this is slices of cucumber. With vegetable slicer, I got 1 millimeter of slices of cucumber. And now sparkling water and slices cucumber is ready. And I actually got my pineapple juice too. And sparkling water inside a nice cup. I'm going to put my pineapple juice inside of sparkling water. in slices of cucumber inside a mixture of sparkling water and pineapple juice. If you like, please add your sugar and ice. This is completion of cucumber pineapple juice. It is 10-minute recipe for your summer. And you need sparkling water, slice of cucumber, and pineapple juice. And it's time to taste it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.